Hello dear friends, the time have arrived for which you guys have put your heart as well as sweat. Now I know many of these students would be under performance pressure, like the student who have already prepared for more than 1500 hours to maybe 2000 hours, they'll have performance pressure. Such a good amount of preparation has been made, or such a huge amount of effort has been made. Sir, will I get the good marks in GATE or not? Or I would be able to utilize that 3 hours of the GATE examination in the proper manner or not? Definitely, many of the times I have seen the student used to have that performance pressure. My dear friends, if you'll go along with the performance pressure, keep in mind your performance will go down. You need not to have any performance pressure while attempting into the GATE exam. Why? See, my dear friends, worst of the worst condition, if you could not do well in GATE examination, but still the such a intense preparation process in which you have drilled yourself, that would be with you. Nobody can snatch that amount of effort, that amount of capacity which you have inherited. At very beginning, probably you may not be knowing how the KVL and KCL works. Now you are able to smash the heavy circuit. Such a huge transformation has been taken place within you that would remain with you. That is what I am saying. Do not think much about the performance and all in GATE examination, because once you will be thinking much about the performance, no, what will happen within the performance pressure? Definitely your performance will go down. That's the first thing. Secondly, if you will not do in GATE, still such a huge amount of preparation has been made, you will do good in technical field. I have been in this field maybe more than 10 years. I have seen the student who are well equipped with the technical content. If they are not able to do good in the GATE examination, they do very good in technical field. So that is what I am saying. If you will remove your performance pressure, the two advantages you are getting: first, you will not think much. Secondly, if you keep your performance pressure aside, the one of the best thing happens with you, what happens? Your creativity increases. And once your creativity increases, so now once you'll be sitting in GATE examination, you can open-heartedly see all of the 65 questions, and you can attempt all of the 65 questions with good amount of creativity. Yes, which ensures the good amount of rank in your GATE. End of the day, I would say only one thing: GATE is a technical paper. The amount or the duration of the paper is 3 hours. Just for 3 hours, you have prepared such a huge amount of time that would always be with you. So do not think much about 3 hours and all. Give your best and do not plan extraordinary. The instinct, the way you have been giving the papers or the test series so far, just back that instinct. Go there, sit, try to do whatever you have been doing so far, and calmly and keep cool. Do your examination to the best. End of the day, I would just say all the very best from my side as well as from the team of GATE Academy. Thank you. Thanks a lot.